Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe, right here, this guy. So this is quite a unique product. It's free of acid. It will work on power coated wheels, matte wheels, ceramic coated wheels, and will also work on the tires. So you have one product to use on the wheels and on the tires, and we're going to go over. So here I have all the tools that I use to wash the wheels. We're going to add a little bit of the car shampoo, the ceramic shampoo. I have a regular brush. I like to use a sponge. Then I have a wheelie right here. We have our bucket, and we have our Turbo Wax, their grid. So we're going to set everything up. We're going to spray away and take you to the journey. Okay, so let's get everything ready. The first thing is we're going to be using the Turbo Wax Ceramic Foam Shampoo. Although it's a ceramic shampoo, you can use it in a vehicle with ceramic or without ceramic, and we're going to be using this to aid at the last step of cleaning the wheels. All you need is 1 ounce of product versus 3 gallons of water. This is a 5-gallon bucket. Then after that, we're going to be putting our Turbo Wax dirt grit guard right there. We're going to be putting our regular brush. We're going to be pulling our wheelie there, and we're going to be putting a sponge, which is what we like to use to avoid scratching the wheels. And this is going to be done solely to aid the wheel cleaner as the last step. And let me show you how much foam this generates. And that is just from 1 ounce right there. All right, so let's get ready to this side. And here's a little view of the wheel. This wheel, they have been ceramic coated, so the cleaning is a lot easier. However, we're gonna be using the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe to clean them up. Although they're ceramic coating, they still pick up the dirt, as you can see right here. It's a closer view. So what we like to do is, and we also got the wheel wheelie, so we're gonna dump it on the bucket too. And here's our Wheel Cleaner Deluxe, non-acid. So what we like to do is we like to spray away on the wheels and on the tire, and we like to let it set for about 60 seconds, and then we're going to go behind with the brush and with the sponge and clean away. Depending how bad the wheels are, you might have to put a little more. There you have it. The wheels are at ambient temperature. They're cold. You don't want to spray this in a hot wheel. And then the first thing is we're gonna let it sit there for a minute, and then we're gonna start with the bottles and simply glide back and forth on the bottles. Very simple. And this tool is phenomenal because you don't need to get your hands inside there, and this and this dust, they are very sharp. So after a while you get tired of getting caught, and there's always a better way. And especially back here behind the caliper, see, you can't get your hands in here. You will have to rotate the wheel, so you have to move the car. So this would allow you to go in, which is real nice. I'm making a second pass in case that I missed something. Now the one thing I'm gonna do is I have used the brush, but I'm not gonna go back into the bucket. I'm gonna put it on the side, I'm gonna rinse it, I'm gonna squeeze it, then I will go back into the bucket. So I'm trying to avoid to bring all that dirt back into the bucket, so every time I use the solution from the shampoo, it's a clean solution. So now I have the sponge, and I'm simply gonna sponge away the areas that I didn't put with the brush, the wheel. All right, so we're good there now. Now we're simply gonna rinse. And there you have it. A real nice wheel. So after this, we will dry the wheel and tire. You can put the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus on the wheel, and of course you can put the Turbo Wax T2 tire dressing on the tires, and you're all set. So there you have it. Okay, so here's the wheel and tire fully finished, and you know, the calipers we cleaned, the bottles, the face. And what we did after we dried the wheel and tire, we went behind with the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus, and then we did the tire dressing T2 on the tire, and there's the result. It should come out great. So there's the tire and wheel, and just a few tips. Remember that you don't want to bring the brushes and sponges and everything back into the bucket, so you should rinse them down and then back into the bucket to avoid bringing all that dust and all those dirt particles back into the bucket. Okay guys, so there you have the tire and wheel done with the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like us, share, check us online, www.turbowax.com. Follow us on Instagram at TurboWax, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.